Hi, I'm Grace and I'm NewMed's Product Device Specialist, and today I'm going to be going over the Penton Pro and how to use it. So first of all, you want to plug in your power lead to the back of the device. Ensure that 1 or up to 4 applicators are plugged in, and then you can switch the device on at the back. You can use up to 4 of these localized pads at a time, as there are 4 outputs on the device for applicators, or you can use 1 full body mat and 2 localized pads, as the full body mat has got 2 outputs on it. There's 2 settings on the Penton Pro. So the first one you can set your own frequency with, like so, and then you can actually alter the duty cycle, so you can alter the square wave, but we recommend that you stick to 45 on that. And then all you need to do is click start, and you can see that the high intensity of the device moving the magnet. And you can also use the natural progressive mode, which is here on the device. And you can just click that like so. And as you'll see, it will naturally progress every 20 minutes and increase the frequency all day. And then you just want to click stop. There is actually quite a large treatment range for this device, so you can use the pad or the mat partially away from the body. You don't have to use it directly, but obviously the closer you are to the magnetic field, the better. Once you're finished, just click the device off at the back of the unit and you can unplug your applicators.
If you have any questions at all about any of the devices we talk about, please contact NewMed by either calling us or sending us an email.